Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find and manage sound settings on OPPO A92. So personalize all tones. So this is the Android operating system. So if you're still new on Android phone, you can find this sound system or sound setting on the settings button. Tap this setting icon or search setting icon on your mobile phone and try to search a sound and vibration, this one. So this is a sound settings. You can manage your sound and vibration here, so you can adjust vibrate on ring or vibrate on silent. You can adjust turn it on or turn it off, or you can silent mode. You can turn this off or turn this on. If you turn this on, you can set the ringtone volume or the notification here. And also this is the volume button function. You can media volume or ringtone volume is as you wish, or this is the do not disturb a feature. This is very useful for Android operating system. So your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarms and timers. So you can use this do not disturb if you feel, or if you off or during meeting. You can make schedules of it, and this you can learn about this option like allow notification. There are exceptions. And let's get back. This is you can set your ringtone based on default on your phone, or you can download it, or you can find on your file storage. Notification sound, message tone. You can this is for if you have a message, you can choose your ringtone. And also this is real sound technology. This is such as if you are in game mode, the sound technology will be different, like a stereo or just mono or just music, more realistic vocal instrument sound. You can learn about this. It can be different in other brand, but it will be the same option, sound and vibration. So please free to try, adjust your sound based on your preference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.